Hello, this is a video about testing pages with a bit of dog ears and how sensitive the scanner will be to this. And I made the dog ear first, and then I straightened it out a little bit. I'm using the sheet integrity also on the scanner here in the Twain driver, so it will stop if it gets a real dog ear during scanning. Okay. Okay, I have prepared here, and let's start scanning here. Okay, let's see what the pictures look like now. Big ear, smaller dog ear. Okay, the first round went very well. I'll do another round. I'm trying to make the dog ear here a little bit more aggressive here, but still not too bad. Let's see what will happen now. Oops, it stopped. Okay. Okay, so the smaller one here, it couldn't take it. Try to straighten it out a bit here. Let's try again. Okay, it went a little bit better this time. I'm going to set the little green discs here to number 2 position now. 2 there. Okay, now it should leave a little bit more room for the almost dog ears that I have prepared, right? And I have my usual suspects here. As you can see, it's not a full dog ear, it's just like on the way to be one, right? Let's try. See what happens here. Okay. Yes, that went very well. And just continue here. Gonna make this more aggressive now. A bit more aggressive like that. See what happens there. Oops. Yeah, that was a bit too much, apparently. Okay. Yeah. I think I will do the same thing now with a 5-page size also. Okay, first went very well, my first round here. Do another round. I think I will do a third round or two. I think I will be a bit more aggressive now here. Okay. Okay, that was a bit too much there. Okay, my conclusion is, well, it's a little bit sensitive perhaps to the smaller dog ears. Yeah. But pretty good overall, and with this sheet integrity check, it's really good. Thank you.